Hello, thought I'd show you just an update of space. Yeah, there's a tent over there. I got company. And he's not as tidy as I am, but that's okay, I guess. Not really. Bags. There was just trash strewn all over this. Just all over, like, you couldn't see the floor. You can still see the remnants. Those blue little strings from a tarp. I still gotta get the, I'm still doing the detail work. But yeah. Oh my gosh, it was giant pile here, giant pile there. This is so, I cut this so I could reach the trash that's like under the bushes. Kind of had to do some trimming. There's a lot of Pokemon cards and Magic the Gathering cards. Some poker chips. These people like to play games. And good for them. Because what is life? If not one big game, but what is life spent without playing any games? I mean, that sucks. Of course, all fun and no work, all fun and no discipline makes Jack a hedonist boy. Like, too much of anything is terrible. It's a damn shame. Too much fun and too much work. Can't win. You gotta strike a balance. But yeah, I'm almost done here. Guess I'll carry these fuckers out. And there's a few heavy items over there. That thing. And we got our desert rose. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this tonight. I just like yard work. I don't know. I miss mowing my lawn and fucking cutting the grass or some shit like that. I'm a fucking weirdo. Owning it.